Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so you've seen the title, you've seen the thumbnail, you know what we're here for. We have some November spoilers for the Nomakenolife box. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was my leaked spoilers for the BoxyCharm November box. Congratulations, Kelly Angelo. Kelly says, yay, love spoilers. First. I do too, girl. And I love doing these spoilers for y'all. And congratulations on being first. And I really appreciate you having your bell on. And I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're going to just go ahead and jump right in. So I'm going to show you what we already know about first, and then I'll show you the newly released spoiler. So first of all, you know the theme for November is this Kawaii, or that's how I say it, I don't know, Kawaii makeover. And the first thing that we already got is Sanrio and Fake Grand Order. They collab to do these nail stamping plates, so you will get one of these in your box. There is also a Kirby lip cream you can get in your box. And also, you'll either get the Shobi Lollipop lip gloss or the Shobi Lollipop lip and cheek cream. Now guys, for the new spoilers, it is the Mediheal BTS BT21 Face Point Mask Set. Now that is the newly released spoiler. If you don't know nothing about this box, I'll have some information about them down below. And I'll also have them linked down there if you want to go check them out. Now, if you're thinking about subscribing to them, again, there's a link below for you to go do so. If you use the code Kawaii19, and I think that's in all caps, y'all, but you could get up to 4 bonus items in your first box, and it's going to be featuring Pokemon, Sanrio, BT21, and this word I don't know, the Kakio friends or whatever. I'm not sure, but you could get up to 4 extra products in your box if you sign up using that code. So if you want to take advantage of that, I'd go ahead and do it. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I keep you in the loop. Now, guys, let's read that pick comment from my last video. Congratulations, Casey Foy. Casey says, oh my God, November spoilers. I love it. I do too, Casey. I swear I'm the most impatient person. I got to see spoilers. I just can't hold myself back. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. Now remember, guys, if you want a shout out, you got to leave a comment. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, my likes. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button, and then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss another video of mine. I do a lot of spoilers. You'll be on top of everything. You'll know more than everybody else on the internet. So if you would, do that. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.